In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swipe animation in Canva, whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, or any type of digital content. Giving your images a dynamic touch with animations can make them more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one. Once you're in your design, begin by selecting the image you want to animate. This can be an integral part of your design, like a photograph or an icon that complements your theme. Simply click on the image to highlight it, making it ready for animation adjustments. Next, with the image selected, look towards the top bar and find the Animate button. Clicking on this will open a panel on the left side of your screen that reveals a variety of animation options. This is where the magic begins. You'll see a range of animation styles here, each offering a unique movement effect for your image. For this tutorial, we're going to use the drift animation effect as an example. Drift provides a subtle yet smooth movement, making it suitable for a professional or artistic design. To apply it, simply click on Drift from the list of animations. You'll see a real-time preview of how your image will animate, which can help you decide if this effect matches the look you're going for. Once you've applied the drift animation, you'll notice an option to adjust the intensity. This feature allows you to fine-tune the animation to your liking. A higher intensity will make the animation more pronounced, while a lower intensity offers a gentler effect. Experiment with this setting until you find the perfect balance that fits your design's aesthetic. Remember to regularly save your work as you go. Canva usually auto-saves, but it's a good practice to keep an eye on it to avoid any unexpected data loss. Once you're satisfied with your animated image, you can preview your entire design to see how the animation fits within the overall project. Finally, if you're happy with your animated design, it's time to share it. Canva provides multiple options for exporting, whether you want to download the file as an MP4 video or a GIF if you'd like to maintain the animated effect. Consider where you plan to publish your work to determine the best format. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to create swipe animations using Canva. Adding this dynamic element can significantly enhance the engagement level of your designs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to add some movement to your own projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.